Nice to have you back, Virgo. On Monday, the Sun squares off with Saturn, making everyone more aware of limitations and responsibilities rather than matters of pleasure. When it comes to romance, there might be a stiff upper lip approach, and it might be all too easy to deny yourself what you want since you will be more focused on duties and obligations. Some sensitivity regarding the left side of the body can come up. Your upper abdomen is very sensitive and you should avoid intoxicants. During this week, you will have more concern regarding your abdominal area. By Tuesday, a new moon will give everyone permission to indulge in sensual delights. Your needs are real and must be met. Make no apologies about this reality. Intense thoughts about love might start to cause you more harm than good, thanks to Pluto turning retrograde on the same day that Mercury squares it. The desire to have things your way in love might lead you to mentally manipulative tactics that you won't exactly be proud of to resist. On Wednesday, the new moon landing in your partnership sector is always an indicator of changes in relationship matters. This week, those changes might feel more like earthquakes thanks to the influence of Uranus being connected. It looks like there is a radical and very unexpected new beginning for you and your partner. The two of you are going off in a new and completely unanticipated direction, but it seems to be one of your own design, so enjoy the ride. If you're single, it's possible that you will unexpectedly meet someone who you'll see as a genuine relationship material. Anything is possible with this new moon. On Thursday, the alignment at play today gives you the incentive to mix and mingle with others. Even more so if you are looking for someone special to share your life with. You will find that the people you meet today are different in some way and may provide you with inspiration and much food for thought. One person is likely to make you think very deeply, especially about seeing them again. On Friday, a bit of spark, a touch of ingenuity, and maybe a smidgen of innovation could transform an aspect of your emotional world. There is no need to go over the top or be dramatic as far as introducing any change is concerned within a love relationship or budding connection. But being more creative, experimental, and spontaneous could bring a result that will make you smile and maybe more. You should control the intake of milk and milk products, otherwise you may get acidity-related issues. You may go for a blood sugar test as well. Minor workouts also will help you to be happy and healthy. On Saturday, taking stock of your emotional world generally or a close connection might need you to create some distance briefly. But it's important not to believe that the effort you've been invested in making romantic or relationship progress has been in vain. If you convince yourself that you're not loved or appreciated, then a new level of resentment could kick in. But a brief bit of distance could help you to re-emerge with your mojo rejuvenated. On Sunday, the moon is in Taurus and in your 7th house of partnership. However, it is also trining Jupiter in your 3rd house of communication. This is emphasizing the necessity of having honest, open, and clear lines of communication with your partner in order to experience closeness and establish a strong and lasting connection. Work on practicing more transparency and clarity in the way you communicate with your partner, as that can be the determining factor of whether a relationship succeeds or not. You should stay away from all the arguments this week, watch more movies, keep yourself entertained, and have a good time.
Nice to have you back, Virgo. Okay, now Monday. You may have an influence on your work, career, and money sector. Now, don't panic, but know this: when you experience some instability or some urge in your professional or financial life, it's perfectly alright to feel unsettled every now and then. No, we have all been there, so that's fine, but you will want to do something different to escape the monotony. You will not see things happening the way it used to be. Rather, don't jump into anything without thinking about it long and hard. That's pretty much how Monday is going to be. Now on Tuesday, you will bring in a few complications with regards to your financial conditions. According to the financial horoscope, you may suffer a financial loss. Now I'm very saddened to hear that and say that to you. Or you may end up spending a little extra cash this year. But that does not mean that you cannot bounce back. No one's holding you back here. Things will pick up, and as per the astrological findings in your horoscope, it's rather going to be a fruitful year for you financially, but this is just a temporary phase. Alright, now hang in there. On Wednesday, you can expect an increase in money. Inflow of income will be more than great for you. See what I meant when I said about Tuesday? The period starting from today looks especially bright. Certain surprises are in store for you as well. You can expect things to be more positive for sure. Now on Thursday, things will start getting unfavorable. Unfortunately, crafty Mercury becomes deliberated in a dualistic nature. Now this means that your finance have the chance of hitting a rock bottom for a temporary period, but that is just for the phase. This period will improve to be the utmost challenging phase for you. But you do not worry, because the situation will definitely improve in accordance with the forecast of your financial horoscope. Now, towards the latter part of this week on Friday, you will need to plan your finances way ahead and make sure that you do not overspend. Controlling your finances in a creative manner will help you push through the phase, and you are likely to come out of it successfully. Alright, now towards the weekend on Saturday, after Mercury enters in your fire sign, the situation on the financial front will be on fire and will begin to amaze you. Refrain from taking any major decisions related to finance on the second half of the day. I'll tell you why in a moment. Even though your financials will be fairly good, there is no point taking any risks overall, because planetary position keeps changing. Overall, you are to remain in a healthy financial position on Saturday. Now, towards the end of the week, on the coming Sunday, Sunday is a great period to focus on fresh new starts. You will be starting new projects, working on new opportunities, and embarking on new journeys. You will have a lot of energy and motivation for them. You will be more proactive and more independent, and you'll be so proud of your strong pioneering spirits. You'll be smarter with your choices and changes that you will need to make. You will be more adventurous and creative, and you will have the time of your life. Have a great, awesome week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.